Hi, and welcome to our new video. Well, actually, our first video at all. Today we're going to explain what mitosis and meiosis are about. Mitosis is a process that occurs in the center of the cell, inside the nucleus only. It is a cellular division in which DNA divides equally. This process is a asexual process, and it only happens in eukaryotic cells. My partner, scientist Ale Barrera, is going to explain you what the phases of this process are.
Interphase. The cell is in a normal state of function. The chromosomes inside the nucleus start to duplicate. In the prophase, the nucleus membrane disappears and also the nucleus and other genetic materials concentrate in the center. The metaphase is when the chromosomes align to the equatorial plate and are attached to the spindle fibers. Anaphase. The sister chromatids are separated by the spindle fibers because they shorten, giving as result the separation of two identical genetic materials. And finally, the telophase. The chromosomes get into the respective poles, and the nuclear envelope is created against the unicole of the chromosomes, forming now two nucleus.
Wow, that was interesting. But now it's turn for the meiosis process. In this process, a cell is divided into 4 daughter cells, each with half the chromosomes of the mother cell. This one is reproduced sexually, means it needs a father cell and a mother cell to reproduce. My partner, Edna Salcedo, is going to explain the steps of this process.
Hi, now we are going to explain what meiosis is. Well, the phases are first the interphase, that the cell has a mass of DNA of the father and the mother to start the meiosis. Now, in the prophase, the formation of chromosomes, the homolog chromosomes interchange sectors. The nucleus membrane disappears. As next phase is the metaphase, centrioles appears, and the chromosomes get attached to the spindle fibers. Now, in the anaphase, the spindle fibers contract and separate the chromosomes, taking them to the cellular poles. In the telophase, the new nucleus forms and 2 different daughter cells are created. As you can see, in the meiosis, the process is almost the same as the mitosis, but in this one, it repeats from the prophase. Prophase. Now the metaphase. The anaphase. And as final result, we have the telophase, in which now, instead of 2 cells, there are 4.
Now, we can conclude that all living things are made of cells that have 2 ways to reproduce themselves, sexually and asexually, giving us different results. With this, we realize that an example of mitosis would be a child growing, because the cells reproduce equally, while an example of meiosis would be a baby being created, because the mother cell and the father cell's DNAs are interchanged. Thanks for watching.
Please, for more information, search in these links.